Hello, this is Dzemil Beganovic, and in this video we'll be showing you how to use advanced filters for search in Cartograph. And the first thing we want to do is make sure you're on the Resources tab and specifically on the Materials sub-tab here. So there's a few different types of resources that we have available. We want to be on the Materials sub-tab here for this one. Okay. On the left-hand side, you'll then see all of your layers or your filters that are available to you. And we'll go ahead and select some of the search features and use and see how we can pinpoint certain records within the database by using the prompts that we have available. So the first thing, what we'll do is select one of these three here. We'll click on the phone number search, and we'll have to drop down to see the advanced filter and click on the prompt. We'll then be prompted for the phone number. We can either type it or we can use a drop-down value here. So we'll just select one of these, click on activate, and this will allow us to see then all of the records within the database that have that specific phone number. We can verify that by clicking on the ID here of that record, scrolling down to the data plan or communication data section, and we can see that's in fact the phone number that we entered here. And again, there's only one in this case, but sometimes there's multiple. So we can go ahead and either click the back button here or the resources button here, go back to that tab. We can disable this filter. We can try another filter here within this video. So we can use, let's say, the serial number filter. Same functionality applies here. We'll drop down the advanced filter to see that prompt, click on it, and we'll be prompted for the serial number. Again, you can use a drop down value here, or you can simply type it in and it will auto filter all the options that are available to you. Click on activate. As you can see, this filter allowed us to see more than one record because in this case we're searching for the serial number and there's more than one that fits the criteria of 3338. Okay, and in this video we covered the search feature. In the next video we will cover a few other more advanced filters and how to customize those to see exactly the records that you'd like to see. So if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us with the contact info in the description below. Thank you, and see you in the next video.